The proportion of public accountants who have changed companies within the last 3 years is to be estimated within 2 percentage points. The 95% level of confidence is to be used. A study conducted several years ago revealed that the percent of public accountants changing companies within 3 years was 21. A. To update this study, the files of how many public accountants should be studied. In determining the minimum sample size required to estimate the true population proportion, we summarize the information provided in this problem as follows. The margin of error is 2% or 0.02. An initial estimate of the proportion is given as 0.21. The 95% confidence level translates into a z-value of 1.96. We obtained this by using Excel's equals norms in 0.025 function. Substituting the given information into the formula for determining the sample size requirement for estimating a population proportion, we obtain a sample of 1,594 public accountants. The formula actually yielded 1,593.3, but we round up to the nearest integer in order to meet the required margin of error and confidence level. B. How many public accountants should be contacted if no previous estimates of the population proportion are available? In this problem, we are still interested in determining the minimum sample size given a margin of error of 0.02 and a confidence level of 95%. These are the same requirements as in Part A. However, in this problem, we are assuming that an initial estimate of the population proportion is not available. When an initial estimate of the population proportion is not available, it is best to use 0.5 as the value for p. We compute the sample size using p equal to 0.5, z equal to 1.96, and margin of error, e, of 0.02. The minimum sample size is 2,401 public accountants. What do we take from these two situations? Note that when no initial estimate of the population proportion is available, the samples required is much larger than when an initial estimate of the population proportion is available. In Part A, the required sample is only 1,594. However, in Part B, when no initial estimate of the population